Welcome again to my channel. In our last video, we were able to discuss how you can use the video editing app called KineMaster to create awesome thumbnails for your YouTube videos in seconds. And in this particular video also, we are going to show you how you can use the video editing app called CapCut to do even better. In case you are seeing our video for the first time, I am Bart, and this video, the YouTube SEO Academy, is poised to show you the various ways, the tricks you use to succeed on YouTube videos. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to the channel and then click on the bell icon. Let's dive into this immediately. So the first thing you are going to do is to click on your CapCut icon, select new project, then go to library. Go there, scroll down or sideways to background. From the background, choose any of the backgrounds here, even if they are video. For instance, I'm going to choose this. Choose the HD format. This. Then the next thing is to go and click overlay. Click on add overlay, and then I'm going to select one of my pictures here. I'm going to select this, make sure it is in HD. Then this particular picture, I'm going to shift it the particular side I want. I'm going to scroll down here and then go to remove background. Click on remove background, click on auto remove. And then, of course, you see it has removed. But when you see it now, you see that although it has removed it, the picture is not very sharp. What am I going to do about it? I highlight the picture, then go to adjust. When I go to adjust, I'm going to click on contrast. Make sure I bring up the contrast a bit. If it is more reddish, I'm going to the temperature. Make sure I play around the temperature to get the particular one that best suits this. Okay, head over to HSL. If there is a color I'm wearing here like white, I can decide to make it a little bluish like this to make it whiter. Okay, now the next thing is to sharpen this. Click on sharpen, bring up the sharpening a bit, then brilliance. Okay, if I'm satisfied with this, I click OK. Now remember, this is just like a video. I can decide to cut off this, a portion of this. Delete this part so that they are small. The next thing I'm going to do now is to go back and click on my text. When I have clicked there, I write. Now this topic, the topic for this video is simply YouTube thumbnail tutorial. So I'm going to write it that way. YouTube. I first of all design the thumbnail for YouTube. We have YouTube. Now we need to click on styles and then click on font to change the font to a better one. Let me go with CC Moderno, like this. I can decide to change the color. If I'm okay with this, I can decide to change the color. I can decide to change the color here. Clicking on styles, and then scrolling down here, I change it to maybe YouTube, this. Then also the shadow, I may need to change it a bit. Make sure that I change the angle to the one that I like, maybe this. Then the distance, if I'm okay with this, if I don't want to blur it, but let's leave it at 0 here. So if I'm okay with this, I go forward to duplicate it. Thumbnail now, thumbnail. Okay, have golden color, I've selected. Then the next thing will be tutorial. Duplicate this once again, shift. Okay, I can decide to change this thing, maybe the font a bit. Okay, if I'm okay with this, I can decide also to import YouTube logo. Pick this, the particular place, maybe this place. Okay, so YouTube thumbnail tutorial. Now I have seen some people who are doing tutorials on this, that after this, you screenshot this and then resize it just like this and use it. Why this is not bad, I will tell you to do better than this. This is what you have created, which is good, but when you look at the size, it is 462 KB. Now there is a better way to get even a better quality. That is what I'm going to show you here now. Now when you check here, just like in KineMaster, there is no button here. We don't have any button here that shows you how you can do that, but then there is best way to do it. Click on this place, highlight this thing to 2K, then recommend they give you this, then export. So we are now exporting in 2K. Remember, what you are exporting now is actually video. But I'm going to show you how we can now convert it. Now, when you have exported this, it will be normally as a video. This is the video. But we can use video as thumbnail. But then at least it has a good quality here. So what are we going to do? You go back to CapCut. Instead of now beginning a new project, you see this All Tools. Click on All Tools here. You will see where we see Frame Capture. Then select that video that you have done. Then click on HD. Next. Now you select the portion that you want that video. You see the background is moving until you select the portion that you would like to have. If it's display that I want, I just click on Capture and then Export. With this, you will discover that this is much better. Let's see what we have now. This is 2.12 MB, while this, the one we did before, was 462 KB. Two of them, you can compare two of them, because this one is more qualitative than the other one. So you are getting a superior YouTube thumbnail after you have done it this way. All right, I believe you have learned something from this video. Now, there is one more point for you to consider, and that is, now that it is more than 2 MB, how do you upload it? Usually, from your YouTube desktop, you will not be able to do that. Now, there are two ways you can do that, and the link is here on how you can upload your thumbnail of high quality to YouTube so that it stands out actually. If you like this video, please give it a thumb up and then subscribe to this channel. Also, click on the bell icon so that whenever we drop a video, you'll be able to get notification for that. Finally, know that it's not only through CapCut that you can create this thumbnail. You can also do that using Canva or using KineMaster. This is for Canva, this is for KineMaster. You can consult it and then you learn how you can diversify your method. Thank you once again.